What's up, homies? It's Gina Lynn here with Zappos.com, and we're gonna peep out this travel pack from Eagle Creek. This travel bag is seriously legit because it has all the bells and whistles. It's constructed from 450D Geo Ripstop, and I like how there's just so much organization, you guys. You got these two little zipper pockets, and there's also this little mesh slip pocket. And let's take a look on the other side. I like how it has a key hook in here so you can store your keys. And there's also this big mesh slip pocket in the front so you can store items in there such as snacks, and you can see the party on the inside with that mesh detailing. There is a zipper, let's take a look here, to a nice big compartment. There is so much space in here, you guys. I love how you just have a lot of space to store all of your items. And let's take a look at the other compartment. There is a zipper to the main compartment, and you guys, there's plenty of space in here as well. And there's also mesh pockets so you can see what's going on the inside and you can stay really organized. Let's take a look. What I like too is that this backpack has a dust bag, so you could store it if you're not traveling. You could wrap it up with this baby and store it in your closet so it's safe from dust. And also there is a zipper to another compartment so you can stay organized. And there's this padded slip pocket where you can store your laptop up to 17 inches. And there's this top handle. Let's turn this baby around. You got padded backpack straps with chest straps, and you also got this hip strap as well, so it has extra padding around. And you also got this little pouch as well so you can store your cell phone here so you have easy access to it. What's dope too, you guys, let's take a look. There's these extra paddings here around the back. It has tons of ventilations as well, so you could have tons of breathability. And what I like too is that there's a sliding system here so you could adjust the backpack to your needs. Travel in style with this baby from Eagle Creek.